Punjab, the land of 5 rivers. This region, known for its abundant waterways, has been the lifeline of its people for centuries. The rivers not only nourish the land but also shape the culture and traditions of the region, the land of rich soil. Here, the earth is fertile and generous, yielding bountiful harvests season after season. The fields stretch out like a green carpet, a testament to the hard work and dedication of the farmers. The land of amazing culture. Punjab is a vibrant tapestry of traditions, music and dance. The colourful attire, the rhythmic beats of the Dee-Chal and the lively Bhangra performances are a celebration of life itself. And right in the middle of this awesome place is Hoshiarpur. Nestled at the foothills of the Himalayas, this city is a blend of natural beauty and urban charm. It's a city where old ways meet new, like a beautiful tapestry. The architecture here tells a story of its own, with ancient buildings standing proudly alongside modern structures. You can almost hear history whispering as you walk down the streets, but you can also feel the energy of a city moving forward. The bustling markets, the busy streets, and the friendly faces all contribute to the unique vibe of Hoshiarpur. Hoshiarpur is a treat for your senses. The sights, sounds, and smells all come together to create an unforgettable experience. Imagine the smell of fresh bread right out of the oven, mixing with the sweet smell of mangoes ripening in the sun. The local cuisine is a delightful blend of flavors that will leave you craving for more. You might even hear the beat of the Dee-Chal drum making you want to dance. The music here is infectious, and it's hard to resist joining in the celebrations. But Hoshiarpur is more than just sights and smells. It's a city with a soul where every corner has a story to tell. It's a city full of stories where the past and present come together. The elders share tales of yesteryears, while the younger generation adds their own chapters to the city's rich history. From ancient temples that have seen hundreds of years go by to busy markets filled with laughter and the sounds of people buying and selling, Hoshiarpur has something for everyone. The spiritual and the mundane coexist here in perfect harmony. Let's go on a journey to uncover the heart of Hoshiarpur. We'll walk through its streets, meet its people, and discover the hidden gems that make this city so special. We'll learn about its history, explore its culture, and feel the warmth of the people. Every visit to Hoshiarpur is a new adventure, a new story waiting to be told. Hidden in the heart of Punjab, there's a special place waiting for you. A place where time stands still, yet moves forward with every heartbeat. Welcome to Hoshiarpur. Hoshiarpur, a city that whispers tales of ancient times, where every stone and street has a story to tell. The name itself makes you think of a time long ago, a time when the land was ruled by mighty kings and queens. Imagine empires rising and falling, each leaving behind a legacy etched in stone and memory. They say the city got its name from Hoshiar Singh, a brave and smart leader who made his mark on history. His leadership and vision laid the foundation for what Hoshiarpur would become. For many years, Hoshiarpur saw rulers come and go, each adding their own chapter to the city's rich history. The Mauryan Empire, known for being big and organized, once ruled this land. Their influence can still be seen in the ruins that dot the landscape. Then came the Guptas, who loved art and culture, and they left their mark on the city's artistic side. Their era was a golden age of creativity and learning, but it was the Mughals who really changed Hoshiarpur. Their architectural genius transformed the cityscape. They loved big, beautiful buildings and gardens, and they gave the city amazing monuments we can still see today. These gardens and structures are a testament to their grandeur. Just look at the carvings and arches on the old buildings. Each detail tells a story of craftsmanship and dedication. Later, the Sikh Empire, led by Maharaja Ranjit Singh, brought a new era to Hoshiarpur. His reign was marked by strength and unity. The Sikhs, known for their bravery and fairness, brought peace and prosperity. Their influence can still be felt in the city's vibrant culture. They built gurdwaras, their places of worship, all over the city, making it even more beautiful and spiritual. These sacred spaces continue to be centers of community and faith. Hoshiarpur. Imagine a city right where the Himalayan mountains begin, where the flat plains of Punjab meet the sky. It's a place of contrasts, with rolling hills and rocky landscapes. Look north and you'll see the Himalayas like giant protectors, with their snowy peaks touching the clouds. The air is fresh and cool, smelling like pine trees. The hills are covered in green, dotted with small villages. As you come down from the hills, the land changes, the mountains disappear, and you see fields where farmers grow food just like their families have done for generations. The air smells like fresh dirt, showing how rich the soil is. Two rivers, the Ravi and the Bees, flow through the area, giving life to everything. These rivers are super important. They help grow the food and make the landscape peaceful and beautiful. Hoshiarpur. In this city, life is connected to nature. The bond between the people and their land is unbreakable, a testament to their enduring spirit and dedication. Farming isn't just a job here, it's a way of life, passed down from parents to children. Each generation learns the secrets of the soil, the rhythms of the seasons, and the importance of hard work. The land is fertile thanks to the Ravi and Bees rivers, and it produces a lot of food. These rivers nourish the fields, ensuring bountiful harvests year after year. Wheat, which is used to make bread, grows everywhere, its golden color a sign of the farmer's hard work. The sight of these golden fields is a symbol of prosperity and sustenance. Rice paddies, shining like mirrors in the sun, show how wealthy the land is. The reflective waters of the paddies are a testament to the meticulous care and effort put in by the farmers. But Hoshiarpur is more than just farms. It is a place where tradition meets modernity, where the old ways blend seamlessly with the new. It's also known for its fruit. The orchards here are a vibrant part of the landscape, adding color and variety to the region. Imagine orchards full of juicy mangoes, tangy oranges, and exotic guavas. These fruits are not just delicious, they are a source of pride for the local farmers. When it's harvest time, the air smells amazing, like a delicious treat you can't resist. The harvest season is a time of celebration and hard work as families come together to gather the fruits of their labor. But that's not all. Hoshiarpur also has factories. Lots of small businesses are popping up, making things like furniture and tools. These workshops are a hub of creativity and craftsmanship, producing high-quality goods. These businesses are helping Hoshiarpur grow stronger. They provide jobs, support the local economy, and contribute to the community's overall well-being. Hoshiarpur is a place where agriculture and industry coexist, each enriching the other. Section 5, the soul of Hoshiarpur, a celebration of culture and heritage. Hoshiarpur. In this city, old traditions and new ideas live together peacefully. The people of Hoshiarpur make it special. They are warm, welcoming, and full of life. They speak Punjabi, a language that's fun to listen to, and they love to tell stories and jokes. In Hoshiarpur, food is more than just fuel. It's a celebration, a way to bring everyone together. Imagine the smell of spices coming from kitchens, women expertly making bread, the sound of onions cooking in oil. This is what it's like to experience food in Hoshiarpur. Music and dance are everywhere in Hoshiarpur. The Dichol drum sets the beat for Bhangra, a lively dance, and Gidda, a graceful dance. It's not just entertainment, it's how Punjabi people share their joy and energy. Section 6, Landmarks of Faith and History, unveiling Hoshiarpur's treasures. Hoshiarpur. This is a city where history is all around you, where old buildings tell stories without speaking. Gurdwara Sri Bedi Sahib, a very important Sikh temple, stands in the middle of the city. People come from all over to visit this holy place and find peace. It's a must-see if you want to feel a spiritual connection. Then there's the Rang Mahal, a beautiful old building that used to belong to a rich leader. Its carvings, arches, and courtyards show how wealthy people lived in the past. If you love nature, visit the Takni, Remapur Wildlife Sanctuary. It's a peaceful place with lots of plants and animals, perfect for escaping the city and enjoying nature's beauty. Section 7, Nurturing Minds, Shaping Futures, Education in Hoshiarpur. Hoshiarpur. This city knows that education is powerful and important. It's a place where young minds are encouraged to learn and grow. Hoshiarpur has always been a place of learning, from traditional schools to modern universities. There are many schools and colleges here offering a good education for everyone. Guru Nanak College is known for its great teaching and for helping students become well-rounded individuals. Punjab Agricultural University's Extension Centre in Hoshiarpur helps farmers by teaching them about the latest farming techniques. This centre has helped farmers grow more food and earn more money. Hoshiarpur schools are more than just classrooms. They're places where students learn to think for themselves, be creative, and become the best they can be. Section 8, Hoshiarpur today, a blend of tradition and progress. Hoshiarpur, this city is at a turning point where the past meets the future. As India grows and changes, so does Hoshiarpur. It's becoming more modern, but it never forgets its roots. The city is getting new roads, bridges and parks to help the growing population. The government is working hard to connect people and provide essential services, making life better for everyone in Hoshiarpur. Young people in Hoshiarpur are starting their own businesses, creating jobs and helping the city's economy grow. They are ambitious and want to make a difference. Hoshiarpur is a city on the move, a city that welcomes the future while honoring its past. It represents the spirit of India, a land of contrasts, a land of opportunities, a land where old and new work together.